Your Fire Stick comes ready to use, but with these 10 simple hacks, you can make it faster, more fun, and even unlock features you didn't know existed. Stick around until the end so you don't miss anything. The first tip, it's actually a short list of accessories that I have used for a while. Hey Fire Stick owners, we all know the struggle. You've got this awesome streaming device, but it comes with just one USB port, and that completely limits what you can do. Want to add a keyboard? No. Want to expand your storage? Can't. But what if I told you there is a cheap, easy fix? It's called an OTG cable, and it's a game changer. You connect this end to the Fire Stick and the other end to your power adapter, and boom, you instantly get a bonus fully functional USB. So you can connect a USB hub. And with that, you can connect more devices at the same time. Devices like a gigabit Ethernet adapter, so you can get Ethernet cable for more reliable connections, a keyboard so it's easier to type, a mouse to click faster, and storage so you can download as many apps as needed, which is really neat. If you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect these, let me know in the comments below. And I will also link all these accessories in the description if you want to check them out. Hack number 2 is the firetv app. It's a free app you can download from the App Store or the Google Store, and you can use as a remote. It's a handy app that makes it easier to use your Fire Stick. I especially like the keyboard. Typing with the remote is annoying. So here's how you get it. Go to the App Store or the Google Store on your phone, search for Amazon Fire TV, make sure you get the right app, this one. Download the app. Before you open, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire Stick. Open the app and it will automatically find your Fire Stick. Make sure the device name is the one you are looking for. Once it's connected, your phone does everything the remote does. Tip number 3. If you are having lag, stutters, or constant buffering, you need to know why. Is it your internet or is it the Fire Stick? This hack will tell you instantly. You don't need secret buttons or developer menus for this. Amazon has a built-in tool, and here's how to find it. Okay, head over to settings, all the way to the right. Once there, go to network. On network, you're gonna highlight the network you're using and then press play and pause menu. Over here, you can go and run a speed test and you're gonna see how fast it is, and more, you can go to advanced, and over here it's gonna tell you everything. The signal strength, as closer to -30, the better. The noise, as closer to -100, the better. And the signal to noise ratio, 40 plus, is really good. So that's it. That's tip number 3. In here, you're gonna see all your Wi-Fi system numbers. I add the tables for the signal strength so you can check yours and see where you are. After you try tip 3 and you're still having problems with your Fire Stick, try a quick reset. You can do it with only your remote. This is what you do. You press the select button, that's the big button in the middle, and the play at the same time. Hold it for a few seconds and it should come up. There you go. Now you can see your Fire TV is restarting. It's gonna restart, it's gonna show up the name, and it's gonna come back on. And that should help you out and come back to normal now. There you go, restarting, loading, and there you go, we are back. And that's all it takes, guys. And finally, for performance, best thing is make sure you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage and cleared cache. It will improve the device's performance. Here's how to do it. Some storage. Even the Firestick 4K Max that has 16 gigabytes of space can run out of space and make it you run slower because of that. So you should clear cache and uninstall apps you don't use. This keeps the stick fast and avoids those annoying out-of-space messages. And yes, this will work on every Firestick model. So let's get into it. From the home screen again, you go to this settings menu, which is all the way on the right, or you can also press the gear button on your remote and it's gonna take you there too. From there, you're gonna go to applications. Now over here in applications, before you used to go to manage installed applications and do it one by one, but ever since the last update, they included over here in applications the clear all application cache. That is gonna clear all the apps you have installed on your device. Now it's not gonna delete the app, but it will clear cache. So if you have any information that you want to keep on those apps, don't use this option. You can go to each one and delete the cache. That might be better for you. Or if you don't care and you just want to clear some space, you can go and do that here on the clear all applications cache. But for today, we're gonna go to manage installed applications. Over here you can delete applications that you don't want, or you can clear the cache one by one. To uninstall, if you can, it's gonna show on the top over there for you to press that button to uninstall, or press the rewind button to clear cache. And you can do one by one here, and you're gonna accomplish the same thing. Turn off auto offload. Don't let Amazon do it for you. Here's how to turn off auto offload. From the main menu, go to the gear again all the way to the right, go down, go to applications. In applications, again, we've been here before, you go to auto offload. Just turn that off, because as it says there, it will automatically delete apps that you don't use when the storage is low. So don't let them do it for you. You do it like we did it on the tip before. All right? And that's all there is to it, guys. If you want to move beyond the Amazon App Store and truly unlock the potential of your Fire Stick, you need the Downloader app. Okay, this is how to do it. From the main menu, go all the way to the right to the gear menu, go to the My Fire TV, and go to developer options. If you don't have developer options, go to About and press Fire TV set times. You see mine already says no need, you are already a developer. That's what you're looking for. When you see that, go back one and go to developer options and install on all apps, and the downloader is on. Okay, you may have to come back here later after you install the downloader, maybe not. And now you go and search for the downloader. I just use Alexa downloader. This is the downloader. You press to download. Make sure it's that one and not the other ones that appear. You might have more than me, but that's the one. Okay, after you download, you should be good to go. I'm not get into it where you go, but you can go to Unlinked and other places to get all the apps you want. Okay, that's it, guys. 8 is for your privacy. Like several other devices, the Fire Stick tracks almost everything you do. Let's lock that down. Alright guys, let's go to settings again. That's the gear all the way to the right. Go down, go to preferences. In preferences, you're gonna turn some stuff off. On privacy settings, you go in here, manage from sharing apps, turn that off. Go back, store emails. If you don't want them to have your emails, you can download it from here. I don't have any. Device usage data, make that off. Okay, turn that off. Collect app usage data, turn that off. Interest-based ads, we don't want these ads, so turn it off. I leave Amazon photos, even though I don't have any photos, but sometimes I like to have it in there, but I leave it on. It's up to you. Go back and data usage monitoring, I would leave that off as well. Notification settings, if you want the pop-ups to come up, you can leave it on, otherwise just leave it off. Okay, the feature content, now that's where you're gonna go there to allow video autoplay. If you notice when you're on the main menu over there and you move in between menus, and sometimes you stop for a little bit and one of the shows there is over there on the top starts playing on its own. That's where you turn that off, and turn off the audio as well. Make sure it's off. Okay, and that's it for this. Number 9 is about annoying navigation sounds. You know what I'm talking about, right? This sound over here, some people don't mind them. It drives me crazy. Let's fix that. The fix is simple. Turn them off. Go to the settings. That's the gear all the way to the right. Go to sounds, display and sounds. Go to audio and navigation sounds off. And that's it. Now let's set up your display settings. From the main menu, go to the settings all the way to the right again, and then go to display and sounds, and from there go to display. Okay, over here you have several. I'm gonna try to go quick and easy for you to follow. Video resolution, set up as auto, up to 4K Ultra HD. Match original frame, I would leave that off. Color depth, unless you have a 4K, leave it at 8 bits. Color format, leave it at auto. You can calibrate your display screen over here. You choose, and then you choose your up and down arrow until you see all the arrow on the screen and no black in between the screen and the arrow. So that should be okay. Accept, and that's what you have to do. Dynamic range settings, leave it at always HDR. Game mode, leave it at auto. And sleep mode behavior, no signal. And that's all for the display page. And that's it. We got to the end of 10 hacks you should change on your Firestick right now. Try them out and you notice the difference immediately. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share for more Firestick tips.